Today, 94% of consumers and businesses search the internet before buying a new product or service. They submit their keywords for search and get a list of relevant websites in return. People tend to visit websites that are at the top of these lists because they appear to be more relevant to their search.
Let's see. First of all, we will analyze your current website from the marketing perspective to find answers to questions like how many visitors come to your site? From what sources and devices did they come from? What is the real goal of your website? This will allow us to optimize your website to fulfill its real purpose.
Most find their competitors at the top of these lists. Studies show that if your website is not at the top of these lists, you'll never reach your customers online. If you've ever wondered why your competitors' rank is better than yours, then know it's because of a marketing technique called SEO. SEO means search engine optimization. This technique helps your site rank higher than the millions of other sites in response to certain keywords when searched. The search engine system collects information about every page on the web and can help people find exactly what they're looking for. When your page gets higher rankings, it helps more people to find you. To get higher rankings, your website must have all the ingredients that search engines are looking for. This is where SEO can help. SEO looks for text, contents, links, page titles, and other pieces of relevant information contained in the HTML code of your website. This way, when someone searches for books, the search engine will narrow the results to show pages that contain the words searched for. To get more business, your website has to be on the first page of all the major search engines for the specific keywords that are relevant to your potential customers. Without SEO, your site will never be found online by your customers. In today's competitive world, you need solid SEO techniques to get your site to the top of the search results.
What keywords are tied to your business? What links point to your site? And most importantly, what can we do with the actual website content? That should get you better position on search engine's results page. Pay-per-click campaigns are another way how we can help boost your business. These paid online campaigns can help you get more attention in search results, even on competitive keywords. Can be easily tracked and measured, and are also really flexible. We can start them today, and if you want, stop them tomorrow. Another great way how to make you more visible to the outer world is to start being active on social media. We will choose just the network suitable for your business, develop custom strategy to reach your fans, and monitor and maintain a good reputation of your company. Finally, we can also consider other marketing channels and techniques like email marketing, mobile marketing, or traditional offline channels. Still got questions to ask, or just want to know how exactly can our strategies help your specific business requirements? Just contact us. We help companies and individuals like you every day.